Unpublishing the Wix website on mobile is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Launch the Wix mobile application on your smartphone or tablet. If you're not already logged in, log into your Wix account using your credentials. Once logged in, you should see a list of your websites. Tap on the website that you want to unpublish. In the website editor, look for the settings icon, usually represented by a gear or cogwheel icon. Tap on it to access the settings menu. Within the settings menu, look for an option related to publishing or visibility. Within the publishing options, you should see an option to unpublish your site. Tap on it to initiate the unpublishing process. The app may prompt you to confirm that you want to unpublish your site. Confirm your decision to proceed. After confirming, make sure to save your changes. The app may have a Save or Done button, which you need to tap to save the unpublishing settings.